Menteri ke Sarkar bat MLA ke UDP na cleared constituency uba Kyrmen Shylla ha ke sengi balang ulaong ba ki Seng Pyrthei ki la ban kulari ki ba da ki Jingkyrshan ki bahe ki jingkular Henry ki barai mano ban job mano barem ke syong ha ki ba ulaong ba kum ubriu shimet klem a tertin ki Seng Pyrthei kin persyang da ki babon ki Buit ne kilat kilenti ban yo ke Jingkyrshan Henry ki ba umla ban penbek da ki jingkular top.
Everything is fair in love and war. That is what they used to mention. But one thing I would like to urge, yeah, it's just one thing I would like to urge the people of our state. No doubt, the different political party might try it, different field, might try different strategy to make them, to get the what to say their support. But I feel personally that, and then I know also that our people cannot be fooled just by those fake promise, and then just by telling them that we are the best, but they know who's who. And then I feel that whichever the election we contest, that the public, whatever they give, I mean, their support, that is their support genuinely to those political party, not just by listen to those fake promises or fake claims that they are the best and the rest are the worst. So I believe the people of our state, they know very well who to choose and what to believe.